Come on.
What, your battery low?
Okay, I guess I'm getting hooked up here.
I am down to iPad storage
Man drove off, green lights are on.
because my SD card I took out and I put it upstairs on the computer, so it's.
Drones in position, I think we're heading down the stretch here.
Drones in position.
Our last two tracks coming through here, one more yet to go. Don't think anybody's already anyone too bad this year.